What is going on, everybody? It is Chino F30 here for another video. It is 5:49 in the morning today. It is another BMW day. I gotta wash the car and I gotta get it ready because I did not wash it last night, and I gotta get gas. We're gonna cruise in an hour to this museum in Mass. I don't know where. I've never been here before. I registered for VIP last night, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We'll see where it goes.
458 with the stocks and the spaces. Yeah. If you ain't here now, don't try to come back when I made you. J-Show, young guy, he a savior. Put the city on the map, what you doing for it? 4 bars, repost by Blazer, shit. I balled in my shoes for it. Got the sauce and the juice pouring. Sweet sensations, fish pie, give me 2 portions. Y'all vision way through the store that everybody wanna win.
Alright, time check. It is 6:19. Car's all washed. All wiped down.
Getting paper like a new citizen.
We good to go. Let's get to it.
Getting papers like a new citizen. Getting papers like a new citizen. Nigga, I'm here now, new citizen. I had to drop niggas, couldn't win with them. I'm a standout, they like fitting in. I want a billion, nigga, I can't win with them. My bitch is mean, nigga, you can't sit with them. Your bitch focused on me like she on Ritalin. I'm a god, nigga, that's my temperament. I got drive like I got temperaments. Your bitch lied, you ain't know what a temperament. You disappoint 10 like 10%. How high can he take it? Meth in them. All the way, I ain't never been a pessimist. Made back 2-tone like a peppermint. By the links, I look like a president. Fuck ice, that's not what I'm investing in. I'll keep mine green in my residence. New citizen. Facts. 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 It's getting paper like a new citizen. It's getting paper like a new citizen. It's getting papers like a new citizen. It's getting papers like a new citizen.
Alright, made it. It is packed. I'm right there. We're gonna start taking our walks around. This is just insane. And it hasn't even started yet too. So we're gonna be recording a lot of cars today. As you can see, a lot of cars, and it's even more that way. What time is it? Let me get a time check. It is, hold on, 10:17, 10:18. Definitely keep y'all updated. Guess who decided to join us like a couple hours later?
Yeah, you know, that's what happens when you work a lot. What happened?
He was up last night washing his car, and then he texted me at 9 in the morning talking about, oh shit, I overslept. I said, no way. But we're gonna take our walk, and I'll show you guys all the cars. Let's do it.